Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, Macau, Coloane. This is the most southern village in Macau, and we're on the waterfront. So this one is actually Eduardo Marques. It's a plaza, like square, a Largo, and there's also another street with the same name in another part of Macau as well. So this is a Portuguese person. I think it's a governor. Actually, it was a little bit hard to find history about him. But anyways, this is the location on the map, so you can see exactly where Coloane is at and where this street is at, where this plaza is at. And nonetheless, I'm also going to do a preview where I do a music for about 75 seconds. So this is kind of like a little melodic way to explore. And then I'll start the narration part, which I usually do when I talk and walk with my camera. So anyways, let's get into this. Another slice of Macau for you.
Oh, Macau, it's been a while. I want to see you, you make me smile. Hello Macau, oh how have you been? I really want to see you, oh my Macau. Oh my Macau, it's good to see you now. And I know I'll see you again. Oh my Macau. And I know I'll see you again. Oh my Macau, I'm looking at you Macau, wanting to sing more of you. Oh what am I to do? I'm looking at you again. Oh my Macau. That's my Macau.
Okay, this is a slice of Macau in Coloane, and this is called Eduardo Marques, which is the name of the plaza, which is actually a name of a general that was also governed Macau in 1909 and 1910. And this is right up against this waterfront right over here. So we're gonna show you that waterfront, show you what's over there, and then we're gonna go explore that church and then this little side street stuff right here. And we're also gonna go in a little bit. So anyways, this is Eduardo Marques, and it's the plaza. Okay, we also got the lights. The lighting is just about perfect right now as well. So we're gonna go across the street a little bit. And over on the other side is Zhuhai, Hengqin. And you also have this kind of nice waterfront. And some of the storks and birds will come over here and pick up the oysters and such. So that right there, there's a, if you can see that in the mountains, there's cable cars. There's actually an amusement park area over that way. There's some ferries right directly that way. Over there is the University of Macau. And there's also some restaurants down that way and a pier and some boats. But we're gonna be walking that way. So we're gonna explore and kind of show you this plaza. Eduardo Marques. Let's see here. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in on one side, just kind of show you the restaurant style in here. So they have some really famous restaurants, and a lot of people will come and eat in either this one or this one, and there's some other ones down on the street as well. So we're going to show off those a little bit. You also have some nice places to sit as well. So there's some chairs to sit as well. And these are these nice round tables so you can sit don't think they spin. Sometimes the tables will spin, but these will not. Then this one right here is Caetano. You got all these alleys that go all the way down, some more restaurants. Let's just kind of walk through a little bit. And you'll see some businesses all the way down in this area. And also some kind of cool looking artwork as well. So we're gonna go the other way. We'll go back so that you can see this church. And there's also some alleys that go back. And this church right here is, I think it's Francis Xavier is a saint. And I think this church is named after him, I think. And then for a while there was a body part that was stored here. I know it's Saint Francis Xavier. His body part was stored here, but I don't know if it's the name of the church as well. Then we have another space in here, another restaurant. And there's some other stuff down that way as well. And this one is kind of a famous one, La Tim Cafe. And that'll kind of meander down that way as well. Okay. So looks like this is all under construction over here. Okay. So they're doing some renovations. So this one also has these trees here, but it looks like, and they also have tables, kind of the same as the other one. Nice beautiful tree. The trees go right inside as well, and they do on this side as well. So there's the church. And here's this fountain. So I think the fountain, let me see, I think there's a name here somewhere. So 1910, the combatants of Coloane. So I think, if I remember right, I don't know if that year there, but there was some different things happening here. So I think there was pirates in this Coloane area. So I think this might be a reference to that, possibly. So I think if I remember right, there was pirates here, and then they came down to, Macau government came down to Coloane to deal with the pirate situation. So I think that that's a reference to that. Okay. So I think what we're gonna do next is we're gonna come back here in a minute, but I also think I'm just gonna go in a little bit. We also have this one with all these nice pillars everywhere. So if you kind of come in here, there's little plazas on both sides as well. So we'll just kind of fill in the gap a little bit. And this is actually often photographed right in here, as you can imagine. You got the waterfront there, you got the trees. And this is another patio, different patio, but this businesses go through it, so they'll be on the other side, if you know what I mean. Little travessas. This is Linda's, beautiful lane. Huh, that building says 1968 up at the top. Oh yeah, this church, that church is called St. Francis Xavier Church, Church of South Francisco Xavier. Okay. So that explains that a little bit. Looks like they're doing restoration on the church as well. So we're gonna meander through a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna meander this way and then we're gonna go around to the waterfront. Oh, this is like a Palm Sunday kind of thing. Which is kind of cool. Some more right there too. Okay, so we're going to navigate a little bit further down. I think we're gonna go towards the right here as well. Let's see here. I'll just kind of meander down a little bit. So we're kind of in this little Caetano area as well, which is this little alley goes through. Some new restaurants in here as well, so let me just see. Then we can also go down these little, so there's a we're gonna go down this way. So that one goes down to the rotunda, but this will just kind of come to another small plaza. So anyways, Eduardo Marques Plaza. Kind of want to go through this way. Correio Lemos. Let's see. Well, I guess I need to go that way. I have to go around. Oh, I'll go around. She recommends this way? Okay. So she recommends I go back that way, so it's okay. So we're going to go back this way and kind of see this side. It's on the other side of Eduardo Marques as well. Chivesa de Conde. Then we're going to come back this way. The lights are just about perfect right now too. And what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to look for the sign that says Eduardo Marques. And then we're going to end it. Oh, the lighting just really popped on there. And then that's our Largo right there. Largo Eduardo Marques. St. Francis Xavier Church. And the plaza that overlooks the water right there too. So there you go. Slice of Macau.